Sprouts? Ugh! Who likes sprouts? I've avoided them my whole life. Until I found this recipe. If you have leftover sprouts and you don't know what to do with them, I'm here to help. You can use this with cooked or uncooked sprouts. It's amazing. My mother-in-law always recommends to get the Brussels sprouts that are still on the stalk. They stay fresh for way longer. If you're using uncooked sprouts, let's cut those up a little bit. Give them a good wash and then turn them upside down and cut through the stalk about halfway down the sprout. If there's loads of stalks still on the top, it's better to trim some of that off. Now let's get started on the torta. Peel, wash and thinly slice 3 red onions and start to cook those in a pan with some olive oil. After a few minutes, you know what we do, we add our ginger, garlic and our chilli and allow them to start softening. Once your onions are starting to brown, we can add in our spices, salt, cumin, turmeric and garam masala. All the amounts and the ingredients can be found in the description below. Give those a couple of minutes to let the flavours start to escape and then throw in your sprouts. You can also add in some potato. I've cut this up quite thinly to let it cook fast. Cover it for 20 to 30 minutes and you'll end up with this beauty. Oh, amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.